Behavioral scientists have found that people are more likely to do what we ask them to do if we give them a reason why. And then I always say it goes beyond that. Sometimes we have to provide that reason to believe. You could say, I'm having this great sale on raincoats at they're, 80% off. And I would say to myself, 80% off? I bet you they've just jacked the price way up so that they could then say it's 80% off. I just don't believe it, right? Because maybe once before I got taken by somebody. And so I see that and right away I have that initial response. But if you said, hey, I'm having this great sale on raincoats, 80% off, we made a mistake. We ordered too many, or we had an exceptionally dry spring, but now I have to get these off my floor so I can make room for my summer merchandise. Now I get it. I'm like, oh, your bad luck is my good fortune. I will get a good raincoat at a good price. But providing that reason why or that reason to believe is so important. Marketers need to put in that extra effort or we're going to lose sales.